If you're trying to charge your Mi SmartBand 6 and it's not doing anything, just walk away for a good 15 minutes. Hopefully when you come back it will then start charging. So this one here is brand new, but I never unboxed it for at least 6 months. Now I've gone to plug it in and it wasn't doing anything. Now luckily for me I've got this USB amp meter, so I could see it was actually drawing something, but the screen here wasn't doing anything. Then after about 15 minutes it then jumped up to 0.10, which it's at now, and then it was 0% here, so the battery was completely discharged. When I first of all plugged it in, it was 0.02 amps, so I knew it was drawing a little bit. So when it's completely discharged, it won't even light anything up on the screen, but after about 15 minutes it came up with 0% here, and I was climbing quite nicely. About 15 minutes later I've gone up to around 16%. So if yours is doing nothing, don't panic, just walk away, have a cup of tea or coffee, come back 10 or 15 minutes later. Hopefully then when you tap the screen it will be charging. Obviously make sure that you are connected properly. It's magnetic, so it will only go comfortably one way round. Hopefully that will fix your problem if this here isn't charging. If obviously it's well used, maybe give the contacts a bit of a clean, because maybe the contacts are not making a good contact on the actual band itself. Thanks for watching.